How to truncate the time on the datetime object. What is a classy way to truncate a Python datetime object? In this particular case, to the day. So basically setting hour, minute, seconds, and microseconds to 0. I would like the output to also be a datetime object, not a string.
I think this is what you're looking for. But if you really don't care about the time aspect of things, then you should really only be passing around date objects.
Use the date, not a datetime, if you don't care about the time. You can update a datetime like this.
"4 years later." Another way, avoiding replace. I know the accepted answer from 4 years ago works, but this seems a tad lighter than using replace. Notes. When you create a datetime object without passing time properties to the constructor, you get midnight. As others have noted, this assumes you want a datetime object for later use with timer deltas. You can, of course, substitute this for the first line. dt equals datetime.datetime.now.
To get a midnight corresponding to a given datetime object, you could use datetime.combine method. The advantage compared to the .replace method is that datetime.combine based solution will continue to work even if datetime module introduces the nanosecond support. Synfo can be preserved if necessary, but the UTC offset may be different at midnight, for example, due to a DST transition, and therefore a naive solution, setting Synfo time attribute, may fail. See, how do I get the UTC time of midnight for a given time zone?
If you want to se emole, le hace John si dai subscribing